Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your account on the Binance application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Binance application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, and if you haven't already verified your account, you will be taken into the verify page right away. You can also tap on verify now from the home page, and now you will need to select your country of residence as well as the country from which your documents have been issued. After choosing both of these, you can choose between your driver's license, your identification card, or your passport. After choosing either one of these, click on the continue button, and now you will need to upload photos or take pictures of this document that you have selected. After choosing your desired method, tap on the continue button, and now you can use your camera to take the picture of the front side as well as the back side of the document, or you may also upload from your gallery. After doing this, click on continue and your document will be submitted for verification. You will also need to verify your phone number to get your verification code. Once your documents have been tested and your verification is complete, your account will then be verified. And after this, you can start trading right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on the Binance crypto trading application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.